There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and we back to slay today with an Amazon wig. Okay, what's up, everybody? Please excuse the little water mess. I just was drinking some of my water right here and got a little bit on my shirt. You know, I'm really not sloppy like that. But I hope y'all all are having like a really great day. I'm coming through with this new unit from UNice Hair. Y'all know I rocks with them. Like, this is my go-to affordable budget baddie wig site. Okay, when I tell you you can get budget baddie on a budget, you can do it all with UNice Hair. They have several outlets that you can shop on. Plus, girl, I love a baddie wig. When I say a baddie wig, meaning a good wig that everybody would love to wear, that's affordable and got you looking like you a baddie out here. Okay, a diva, a queen, whatever you want to call yourself. Beauty shouldn't cost so much because we already cute. This one, I actually washed it yesterday after I received it. And this is like a multi-texture curl pre everything wig. Like, you know what I'm saying? There's different type of curl patterns in this unit. We got deep wave, we got loose wave, we got curly. Either way, this is popping. Do you see the succulency of these curls? Like, when I washed it, before I washed it, it did look a little bit different. Like, you know what I'm saying? The curls, you could definitely see the definition in each curl. But being that I went ahead and washed it and conditioned it, I did brush it together. I did use my Nairobi styling foam, and I also did use some really good conditioner just to make these curls pop like that. This is a beautiful unit, very affordable, pre-everything, pre-styled, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-approved for your girl. Okay. You don't really need any glue for this because it is glueless. You don't need to bleach it because they already did that for you. Girl, you don't got to cut the lace because it's gone. And what else can I say? This is what that part is looking like. It came like a middle part and I kept it like a middle part. They also do have a black elastic band. That way you can remove it if you choose to. You can also adjust it, adjustable strap, a comb as well. Let's just get into this unit. I'll show you everything that your unit comes with when you purchase from UNice.
Said you needed space, said you needed more time to think, so you went away, but you still would stay in my dreams. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door, even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50-11 days, 50-11 days, 50-11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave. Now you're back for more. Did you find the healing you see? Or did you realize that I'm everything that you need? That wasn't there. Go back. Hurt so bad. Had to block out the memory. If we try again, started from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. You've been gone. Since you've been gone away, You ain't gonna wait so long. I forgot your middle name. I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same. Love it in the
All right, y'all. So this is the finished look. I really didn't have to do much to this wig because I prepared it last night. First of all, I wanted the curls to stay succulent like this. I needed them to stay succulent like this. So I definitely prepared the hair the way I wanted it to dry. So the first thing that was really important to me was just styling the unit prior to allowing it to dry. So I did leave it in the middle part that it came in, but instead of just having the hairs brushed to the side, just like so, I went ahead and brushed them downwards. So that way I wouldn't have to mess with any lace. It'll just look like it's growing out of my hairline like so. And I wouldn't have to worry about any baby hairs or any lace showing because of the way I brushed it down. And I do like my curly hair to be a little bit more downwards. It just gives me a lot of time and effort and not having to fight with any lace or baby hair. So that is what I did to this unit. It blends seamlessly. It's a very great pre-bleached unit. I love the curls in this. Do y'all see this curl? This is their multi-curl textured lace front, but when I tell you that it feels so good, the curls are so succulent, you definitely don't want to disturb them. So that is what I did. I didn't want to have to use this, and I didn't want to have to use any of either Nairobi or my Lotta Body styling foam. I love the curls wet. They will dry like this if you do need to put some water and some type of curl definition in them, but just allow them to air dry. Don't start picking the curls apart. Just allow it to dry as is and try not to mess with it throughout the day. But this is very full. I love this. You can part this wherever you choose to. It is a 7x5, but you can still finagle around it. Girl, finesse the wig. Finesse it. I know you can finesse it. Finesse the wig and make her look real cute, okay? This is an affordable unit. You don't have to get it so long. It is 24 inches, but I like it. I think it's really pretty. It's very affordable, and it's definitely pre-approved, okay? Thing with me, I can never seem to get my parts properly in the middle. So that is the issue that I always seem to have. And as you see, the part is a little bit over to here. It will drive me crazy if it's not fixed, but I'm going to just leave it for today because it's not that bad. It's not like, oh my God, it's so noticeable like that. I mean, I would dare somebody to come up to me and say, girl, you know your part ain't straight. Like that would be it for me. Let somebody tell me my part ain't straight. But this is some gorgeous hair. It's very full. I love the fact that you can definitely pull it up and do so many different things with it. There aren't any combs on the sides, but you can always sew some in yourself off of an old unit if you choose to. For the most part, it's very durable, it's very stylish, and it's definitely affordable. Okay, girl, I will link everything down below for this unit right here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and thumbs the video up if you haven't done so and you like this type of content. And check the description box. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
I forgot your middle name. I forgot your birthday. Your favorite position. Do we still have chemistry? Yeah. Since you've been gone away so long.